Hi, I'm Kirby, co-founder of Eureka Surveys. Eureka Surveys let you validate your startup idea in real time without building anything. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say I'm passionate about plants and want to build a product for my fellow plant lovers. If I go over to Google Trends, we can see a clear upwards pattern for the search query indoor plants, which is a good indication that there's some level of interest for indoor plants. However, before I go down the rabbit hole of actually building a product for my plant lovers, it might be a good idea to get some quick insights. I've already constructed a survey, so let me go over that with you now. In my survey, I'm looking to collect 50 survey responses. I have the ability to target specific audiences such as age groups, ethnicities, and gender. However, for this survey, I'll just let any participant take it. And I did add a qualifying question of which of the following do you own, where I only qualify users for my survey if they select indoor plants. Now to my actual survey, it is constructed of 4 simple questions. How recently did you purchase your last indoor plant? How many indoor plants do you own? Where did you buy your last indoor plant? What's the hardest part of taking care of your plants? In the checkout, I can see my order details such as the cost breakdown for the survey. I also do have a promo code, 50, that is still active and anyone can use to get 50 free survey responses. So I will apply that now. And all I need to do now is publish the survey and it will be live. Great, so my survey is live. It is collecting responses right now. I will fast forward this and come back in a few minutes. Great, we're back now. It looks like this survey took a little under 3 minutes to complete. Some responses will still roll in, but we can look at the results now. So question 1, how recently did you purchase your last indoor plant? Looks like 31% did it within the last week and another 40% within the last month, which does confirm our Google trend of people becoming increasingly interested in indoor plant ownership. If we scroll down to the second question, how many indoor plants do you own? The interesting thing here is only 6% of people own one plant, whereas the remaining 94% own multiple plants. So usually, I guess the insight there is people don't own one plant, they own multiple. We can also come to the sidebar and filter by user demographic, so we can easily compare males to females, as well as visualize this in a bar chart format. Next question is, where did you buy your last indoor plant? So we have our gallery view where we can easily scroll through all the responses people submitted. Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, Flower Shop, Home Depot, Walmart. We do have a word cloud, so we can get a high level picture of where people are getting their plants. And it looks like Home Depot is the big winner, followed by Walmart and Lowe's. And then the final question is, what's the hardest part of taking care of your plants? Remembering to water each one since I have more than one plant, which also makes sense with our first question. Determining how often, how much to water. I always end up killing them with too much or too little water. If we thought this response was really interesting, we can click on it and we can see this user's full survey response in this view. We can also show more info. So we can look at their income level, education, department, voter status, and all other user demographics. Great, so in the past couple of minutes, we now have some concrete takeaways that we can use to help build our plant product. Thank you so much for watching this Eureka demo. Have a great day.